Okay, sometimes you have complex problems where you have a fraction like this. Now, before we talked about, well, let's handle this addition and the subtraction before we do anything else. But we have an issue here. We can't do anything with this quite yet. So what we can do is let's handle this. Add 2 here, add 2 here. And the question you want to ask yourself is, can I move it without affecting the other values on the same side? And we can do that. So this goes away. We end up with this, x plus 4 over 3 equals 9. So we have a fraction, or it's x plus 4 divided by 3. We can disconnect that by multiplying. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. We end up with x plus 4 equals 27. Subtract 4, subtract 4, x equals 23. I'm going to grab another one here. We can also end up with something really cool. Z minus 1 plus 3 equals 11. Oh my goodness, what do we do now? Same thing. Let's get rid of the things that we can get rid of without affecting the other objects on the same side. Z minus 1 equals 8. Now what? We're in a little bit of a quandary. This variable here is not only connected to the 1 through subtraction, it's also in the denominator. Well, like I said before, we can make any number itself over 1. So I can multiply by the reciprocal, even though my variable is what I'm interested in. I can still multiply by the reciprocal and make my life a lot easier. Make that a 3. So this is going to go away, and we're going to left with 1. And we're going to be here. We use the distributive property there. 8z minus 8 over 3. We can multiply by 3. We end up with 3 equals 8z minus 8. Add 8 to both sides. And we have 11 equals 8z. And like we said before, it doesn't really matter what side the variable is on. Divided by 8. And the commutative property allows us just to put the z on this side. Z equals 11 over 8.